In this video, you see the ESI Juli audio capture card in the two different configurations available for the CaptureCast Pro unit. The card can be configured in unbalanced RCA with negative 10 decibel or as balanced TRS with plus 4 decibel. In the unbalanced configuration, use a standard RCA cable and connect to the left and right RCA inputs located here. In the balanced configuration, use a standard 1/4 inch male TRS cable and connect to the TRS inputs here or here. You can also connect an optical fiber cable here. The Juli comes with a breakout cable that will provide MIDI and digital connections. However, for most setups, this will not be used.